Hi guys, welcome back to the course, and in this video we will learn about the basic syntax of PHP. So as you can see, I am on the same page. So let's start. So first of all the PHP code must be written between the PHP tags. So I showed you in the last video that we enclose all the code inside these tags. So that's how the server recognizes this code as PHP code. So now let's move on to the next rule. The next one is PHP files must end with a .php extension. So if you want to write the PHP code in any file, that file must end with a .php extension. As you can see here, first .php, simple enough. So the next one is in PHP, every line must end with a semicolon. So let me show you what happens if I remove this semicolon. Save it and refresh. It is giving me an error. It is saying parse error, syntax error, unexpected echo on line number 4. That means that it is giving error on this echo. Now you may be wondering that why it is not giving error on this line, because actually semicolon is missing from this line. So that's why, because PHP considers both of these lines to be a single line. So that's why it is generating an error, because it was assuming that both of these lines are the same. So if I add the semicolon again and save it and refresh, everything is now okay. So now let's move on to the next rule. The next one is PHP is case sensitive. Case sensitivity is actually that the variable names written in the small letters are different from the variable names written in the capital letters. That's what case sensitivity is. So that's how we create a variable in PHP, and I am assigning a value Daniel, and let's create another variable with the same characters, but this time the capital case. So let's see what happens if I echo var with this one. So if I refresh it, it is showing Daniel, and if I change it to the capital var, you can see it is displaying Fayaz. That means that this small one is different than this capital one. So I hope you got the concept of case sensitivity. So now let's move on to the next rule. The next one is PHP is whitespace insensitive. So let me show you what does that mean. That means that if I add white spaces between these two, or if I add white spaces between here and save it, no error. That means that it is ignoring multiple white spaces between this var and equal to sign. So that's what white space insensitivity is. So PHP supports single line and multi-line comments. So we can also write comments in PHP. So comments are actually the lines ignored by the PHP interpreter. Those lines are not executed by PHP. So in PHP, we use the hash sign to create single line comments. Echo hello. So if I go to the browser and refresh, nothing changed, because this is a comment and it is ignored by PHP. So we can also create single line comments by using double forward slash. So echo hello. Nothing should be changed again, because PHP is simply ignoring these lines because these are comments. So we create single line comments using hash sign or the double forward slash. So you can also use multi-line comments in PHP. So multi-line comments start with a / and static and end with a static and /. So this is a multi-line comment. So save it and refresh. Nothing changed because this is a comment again, so it is ignoring. Oh, let me tell you one more thing, that these keywords which are present inside the PHP, this echo is actually a keyword. So these keywords are actually case insensitive. These are not case sensitive. So if I write echo in capital characters, it will be same. Nothing changed. You can see this. So user defined variables are actually the case sensitive, but PHP's keywords are case insensitive. Keep that thing in mind. And that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video.